Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So firstly, we will have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find passwords and security. Now let's scroll down and tap on privacy, and here in advanced section on the very first position we've got encryption and credentials, and here we've got the credential storage. At the very bottom of it we've got clear credentials option, so all you have to do is to simply tap on it. We've got the information, actually your device is asking you if you want to remove all the contents, so just tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a pen, then enter it to confirm the whole step, and as you can see we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to clear credentials in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.